So, you can choose background. Kung anong gusto niyo. Okay. Header. Baga ng internet ko. Okay. Yung header, pwedeng image, no? So, you can select an image at the top of your site. Okay. Okay, so you can choose file from your files. Saan tayo kukuha? Saan tayo? Special room. Yeah, for example, this one. Then click upload. And this will take some time. 7%, 8%. Okay? So, medyo mabagal siya. Okay? Another thing that you can do is add widgets on your site. So, habang nag-upload siya dito ako sa kabilang tab. Okay, ano yung mga pwede nyo ilagay na widgets? Lalabas siya dito sa sidebar. Okay, recent posts, recent comments, search, archives, categories. Okay, pwede nyo siyang i-delete. So, mawawala siya doon. Pwede nyo rin i-delete to if you want, or you can add it. Okay, you can add from here. These are the available widgets. So, for example, I want to add tag cloud. Yan. Okay. And then, what else can we add? Calendar. If you want a calendar on your site, you can add it here. Okay. Then, what else? So, let's visit your site. Let's visit Maria Cruz site. So, ito na siya. Okay. So, this is the site. Okay. So, ayan. Nandito yung tags. Nandito yung calendar. Okay. So, how do we post? Yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. So, you will find here posts. Okay, so you can click all posts. Yan, ito yung nakikita natin sa site natin ngayon, yung Hello World. Okay, so we can edit this one. So, for example, let's change that into welcome to my site. So, ito yung mga wordings na nakikita natin doon. So, you can also change that like this is Maria Cruz, student of Master of Arts Innovative General Science Education. Okay. So, yan. You could place tags, no? Ang kagandahan ng tags, madali siyang makita kapag sinesearch. No? For example, we're going to write welcome. So, just click add. Okay? Then, we'll click update. Okay. So, post updated. Okay? So, let's visit the site again para makita natin kung nag-update ba siya talaga. Yan. So, you can see, nag-update siya. Right? Okay. So, Now, for your assignment with Dr. Browner, no, she wants you to comment or give your insights about your reading. So, doon niya lang siya gagawin doon sa post. Okay? You can either edit this, edit your first post, okay? Or you can, how do you create another? Okay? So, doon sa post, add new. Yan. So, kasi my insights in the 21st century, blah, blah, blah. Yung pinagawa ni Dr. Browner, no? Okay? So, you can type it here. Then, you can also you can add media. Okay? You can insert, you can drop files anywhere. Okay? So, yan. Click and drag lang naman yan. Okay? Or you could choose to select files from your computer. Okay? I couldn't show it to you today kasi medyo mabagal yung internet ko. Okay? So, if you have any question, okay, so puntahan nyo lang ako dito sa office. If you need help, I'll be very glad to help you. Okay? By the way, you could change the visibility. Pwedeng password protected, pwedeng private, wherein kayo lang makakakita. Pag public, it's open. Okay? Open sa lahat ng tao sa buong mundo. Okay? So, you can post. So, how do you post this? Ano? Publish, no? Don't forget to publish it para makita siya. Okay? So, yun po muna. And then, go to my office na lang if you have any more question about this. Okay? Good luck. Okay? And see you around. Oops! Before I end this video, I forgot to tell you that you need to send your blog in Schoology, in our site in Schoology. Okay? So, publish this first. Okay, then go to your site. Okay, so this is my latest entry. So, copy your site name. Control C lang po yan. Control C. Then, log into Schoology. There. Okay, and then go to the assignment, this one, the framework for 21st century learning. Okay. And then in the comment box, paste the name of your site and then post. Yan. So that we will know what is your site. Okay? And then we could check kung ano na yung mga comments and insights ninyo about the reading assignment. Okay, that would be all. Thank you very much. Don't forget to log out. Log out your Schoology, especially when you are using computers aside from your own. Okay, and log out your EduBlog account. Log out po natin. Okay, that would be all. Thank you very much. Till next video. Bye-bye.